1, 2, 3 Cats. Lesléa, Newman, illustrated by Isabella. Cat number 1 has nothing to do until she makes friends with cat number 2. Cat number 2 is sweet as can be, but not quite as sweet as cat number 3. Cat number 3 purrs loud as a roar when he takes a nap with cat number 4. Cat number 4 learns how to survive by keeping an eye on cat number 5. Cat number 5 has practiced some tricks that he then tries out on cat number 6. Cat number 6 feels like she's in heaven when she's snuggled up with cat number 7. Cat number 7 leaves food on his plate that's soon eaten up by cat number 8. Cat number 8 decides that it's fine to share all her toys with cat number 9. Cat number 9 hears something and then she opens the door for cat number 10. Cat number 10 brings a friend. And a cousin. He knows that cats come better by the dozen. The end.